Hey guys, welcome back to Ezinne-Speaks store, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day. Whenever you see this, you take it. But I'm actually filming this video now on the 17th of December, so maybe we would use this as Vlogmas Day 17, or if it comes earlier, just take it. How are you guys doing? It's been a week of my absence here on YouTube. I've not been posting, but believe you me, I've been making videos here and there, like short clips. I don't know if I should still let them flow in that succession of each day's vlogmas, or if I should just compile all of them together and tell you it is from vlogmas day 10 to vlogmas day something, whenever those clips stop. But the reason why I've been missing in action, I've been MIA-ing, is because work got a hold of me. This is the end of the year, and of course there's been a lot. Work gets demanding, so demanding at the end of the year, and so we had a lot of deadlines we needed to meet at work, not on YouTube or whatever, but at work, and it's made me out of town. You get, made me be out of town for most part of 1 week. For the most part of 1 week, I think in a week, in 7 days, I was out of my house almost 6 days. You get, so from Sunday I traveled to Yo Sunday morning, came back Monday evening, went back to Yo Tuesday morning, and came back I think Wednesday evening, and I still traveled again on Thursday morning and came in Friday, and today is Saturday. So I've only spent about 2 nights in my house since this week and all that. So while all that was happening, honestly, while all that was happening, I was acquiring a couple of things, and that is why this video is going to be some of my Christmas gifts unboxing. If I get more, I'm going to just unbox them as they go. So I've received a couple of gift items within these days that I've been away, from really sweet people. Sorry, I was trying to confirm something. So I've received a couple of gift items. I've also been able to buy a couple of things for myself just here and there. So let us quickly get to the unboxing. So I got a couple of shorts. I don't know if I unboxed this the day I got it, but I doubt if I did. I think I was filming it along the line. I got distracted and then the video didn't end well. So I got a couple of bomb shorts. Well, this is more than bomb short, but I just got a couple of shorts, and these shorts are so cute. They are 4 in number, but I've worn the jean, so it's not here. I think it's somewhere. I think I traveled with the jean, so it's not going to be making it to this video because I've not even unpacked the things I went with. So this is in orange color. This is so cute. This is in sky blue or teal. I don't know what this color is, but it's sky blue. I think maybe the camera is making it look so sky blue. And there's this army color here. There's this army color, and they're actually really cute shorts because I'm planning to travel, so I was trying to like go for comfort. And then that's jean that I had worn. So this is it about this. So I'll just be throwing everything I unbox. Once I unbox it, I'll throw it away. So that is it for the short. And there's this beautiful woman in my church, such a lovely soul. She loves me so much for no reason. She says I am always very happy in church, and she likes the way I'm always happy in church. I've actually unboxed this gift, and I think I did it over the camera, or I did it on camera when I did. So I'm just going to show you guys. If I find a clip where I unboxed this, I'm going to attach it to this video whilst showing you. So she had this wrap. She gave it to my mom last Sunday in church. I wasn't in church, but she gave it to her and asked her to give me, and I really wished I had received this from her directly, and I'm so happy, and I feel loved that she remembered. She's actually she's the first person to gift me in our church since we came in here, and it is so thoughtful of her. She gave me this beautiful material that I could use and make beautiful gown, and this is so lovely and I love it, and that was so thoughtful of her. And she had this cute prayer on the gift wrap she had wrapped this in. So I'm sure I read that prayer out in that video I'm talking about, so I will just attach it, and then you're going to watch it, but this is the gift I got. So moving ahead, I went thrift shopping and I thrifted some sneakers. So this is going to be my sneakers for running, and it is so cute. Are you seeing that detail? It's so cute. That is that for this one. This is out. So it's a sneakers. I wear a size 42 in case you want to get me a gift. You know, this is Christmas. You should think of gifting me for all the beautiful content I've been able to put up for you guys. Thank you. So this is a size 42. I do 42 most times, and then there are certain wears I go over 42, like I do 43. But most times it's usually 42. Then for sandals, it blends, maybe 41 or 42 depending on the type of sandals. And then I also got these beautiful sneakers, whatever it is, but this is cute too, and it really looks more beautiful on my leg. I'm not even sure that the camera is doing justice to this sneakers. What is it? Thumbnail. So I got this, and they are so cute. If I snap with them, I will show you people, because we're preparing. That is that for that. So I went what is it called? I went shopping a couple of days back. What did I even go to buy? Oh, we went to buy something, but we didn't see what we went to buy, and then we just decided to window shop and then pick a few things here and there. So I went with my boyfriend. Shout out to you, guy. So we went shopping. We went to pick those things that we went to look for. We didn't see them, so we were passing Miniso at the mall. Shoprite. We were passing Miniso, and I had seen a hat, and I told him I actually honestly had plans of getting the hat because I'm planning on traveling for vacation. So when I travel, I'm going to make a video and show you guys, so let me not spill the beans. So I told him, oh, I have plans of coming back to get this hat, but it wasn't something I was going to do that day. But I really loved the hat, and then I showed him what it was. And then on Thursday, I think, or Friday, I met up with him, and he said, oh, I have this for you. But meanwhile, he had told me over chat when I was away, when I had traveled within the week, I got something for you, but I don't know if you would like it. I'm like, guy, anything you give me, I love it, even if it's pure water. You get? But that's funny, because I actually love gifts. So whatever anyone gifts me, I appreciate it so much. Like, it's always very thoughtful when it touches me in a personal way whenever people think of me and buy me gifts, even if it's just, no matter what, once you have me in your thoughts and you actually gift me, it touches me in a special way. So he got me this hat, and I'm like, oh, why do you have to do this just because I told you? So he got me this cute hats. Come on now. So I'm going to loosen this hair so that the hat is going to sit, but I think it's sitting properly now. I love it. I've always wanted to own one of this, and I mean, here we are, and I didn't even buy it with my money. So this hat is beautiful. You got it from Miniso for me. And meanwhile, that is not all. Have a gift card. See, it just takes a very little thing or a big thing to make me so excited. So I have a gift card to go for. Okay, I'll just read the gift card. A special gift card for you, or a special gift for you. Thanks for always patronizing us. Because of you, we are still in business. I got this gift card from Vintage Called Cafe. You know, I always go there to do karaoke. And I think I will go on Tuesday and I'll film it and post for you guys. So they said, we have paid a part of your bills at Emily Makeovers. Check the back for details. And there are beautiful discounts at the back for Emily Makeovers. It's in Enugu here. It's at number 75 Chime Avenue. So this is so thoughtful. So there is walk-in makeup, 20% off. There is microblading, lash extension, pedicure, temporal tattoos, lip blush, and Dubai abayas. I don't know what that is, but it's just within the neighborhood of 20% off and 30% off. And believe you me, I am going to use this. Gosh, it came with the heart, and I appreciate it. Thank you, baby. Thank- Sorry, guys. Thank you, baby boo. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And there's something else. I don't even know if it is for the public's consumption. Sha, me needs to attach this to what he had gotten me. Sorry. Miniso attached this to, hold on guys, I'm trying to see if I can block that light with my head. So Miniso attached this pamphlet or whatever in the bag of the hat, in the shopping bag. So he said we are looking for agents and franchises. So if it's something you like or you might want to try, you might just give Miniso a call. So just go on their website and Google, and I'm sure you're going to find something you love. So moving on. So because we're trying to gradually buy the things we need, which one should I do first? So there's this new mall in town. There's this new mall in town. Let me flip the camera and show you guys. They are new, I think, for like a couple of months now. Marvel Nisi stores, everything you need and more. And that is their contact details. So I went there this evening, like today. I'm practically just coming back from there. So I bought a couple of things. I bought their coconut bread. I think this is their coconut bread. This is their coconut bread. This is it, their coconut bread. And it smells really nice. And this is their sardine bread. This is their sardine bread. It smells nice too. And I saw something I hadn't seen in ages in any mall. That is condensed milk. Like kick condensed milk. I've not seen condensed milk. I've not seen condensed milk in God knows how long. So I'm going to try this out. I'm going to use it maybe for something, maybe smoothie or something. And I bought butter, but this is for the house. I really don't do any of those, so I just wanted to show you guys what I bought from Maveronisi. So that is that for the edibles I had gotten from there. So I went to their what is it, skincare hygiene session. So I got this Sensodyne toothbrush that is really cute. Are you seeing how the bristles are? This is so nice. The bristles are cute, and they actually wrote rapid relief, designed for the hard to reach areas. So yes, I want to change my toothbrush. Can't remember the last time I even changed my brush. So because we want to change our brush, might as well try this out. I got some shower gels. I got this Sanex shower gel. It says zero sulfates, zero colorants, zero soap. So it's bath soap. I bought this other bath soap or shower gel from Dove, and I think it is cool. I've not tried this before, but I'll try it when I can. I'll try when I take my bath rather. I got my toothpaste, Dr. Rachel. This is cute. I've not also tried this before, but I've gotten good reviews from the Dr. Rachel's toothpaste, and this is the whitening active vitamin C toothpaste, teeth and gum protection, whitening active, prevention of bad breath, tooth whitening, keep your teeth and gums healthy. So this is that for this is this for that, or this is that for this. And then still on Dr. Rachel, I got this vitamin C brightening an anti-aging face serum which contains hyaluronic acid. So it is anti-aging, brighten, firming, repair, protecting, improve skin elasticity. So whew, unboxing is not easy, guys. I hail the people who unboxes. So that is the last. After this was the last of all the things I got. Let me see if I can use this and do. So unboxing over and out. We have outdone ourselves for today. So it's time to say bye bye. So I am back. Wait, oh, okay. I am back. I'm bubbling in the name of the Lord. So let us. It is time to call this video a quit, and I'm sure you enjoyed that quick what is it called, unboxing. I did too. I enjoyed going through all the things I've received and all the things I've gotten for myself in this short while, and I hope you did enjoy watching me unbox. So until next video tomorrow, I'll see you later, and I love you guys. Don't mind my accent. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Please do take care of your beautiful selves.